Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning into the channel. So, let's talk about some updates. So, the first thing is, let's talk about the new Gloucester Club. So, the Gloucester Club now, it's been running for around a couple of months now. The club is moving forward. We have close to 20 members all across Australia that tune in to the to our WhatsApp meetings that we have once a month, and also, which is quite active, our group chat on the WhatsApp group. So, so thanks guys for becoming a member, and I have a good feeling with this club. It's going to continue to grow as the time goes on. So, another thing about the club, so people are confused that the show cages are meant to be like blue inside the cages in Australia. So currently it is, but this club here, we follow the international guidelines and it's supposed to be green. So if you like to show your Gloucesters on our bench, it's going to have to be a green cage. But since that the club is quite new, we're allowing a 12-month buffer as from now for people to get organised to change the colour of their cages if they want to show on our bench. So that's that. Now, also, as we are approaching the breeding season, so the last little episode I showed you guys the egg and biscuit and the protein powder I use. Well, this is also the time to start preparing your soak seed. So something that I have here, it is very, very basic. It's just canola seed. I've just sprouted canola seed, and I've also added the cod liver oil. So if you want to know more about the cod liver oil, check out Season 1 on Gloucester Canary Australia, and there is plenty of tips and reasons why we use the cod liver oil. But it's a great source for your birds. Also, well, this season, our ring colour, so it's going to be green. So as I've said previous episodes, that there are 6 colours that cycle every 6 years. So we're going to the green rings. And that's it, guys. So I'll leave you with that. I'll leave you guys just a quick little video. I've got a pair of new arrivals, my crested and crest bred. They're a lovely pair. So I'll leave you with that, and I'll see you guys at the next episode. All right, guys, have a good one.